Wes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Fadila Dulima. I am from the Master of Indonesia Education Semarang State University. I will present my research on exploitation of women in the name of culture, marriage, culture in Sumba in the novel Women Who Cried to the Black Moon by Dian Purnomo. The main focus of my research is on the exploitation of women by taking refuge under the cultural values that apply in society. One of them is the culture of captive marriage applied in Sumba. The case deprived women of their rank, and the rest case was found in Dian Purnomo novel Intent, Women Who Cry to the Black Moon. The culture of captive marriage that occurs in Sumba is something that needs to be studied. This is because this culture is a form of injunction against women because it causes harm to women. The tradition of captive marriage is carried out inhumanly because the female victim was kidnapped by a group of men in a public place. Women who are arrested will find it difficult to resist with physical strain. In addition, the victim family was also unable to arrest. This is due to the condition of being trapped in a current situation, so that the family agrees to the marriage carried out by the doctor to the one who has kidnapped you. This traditional results in suffering both physically and mentally. The victim is subject to cruel treatment such as being pulled, grabbed, and forcibly taken to the perpetration residency. In addition, victims also often receive physical harassment in the form of sexual touching carried out by the kidnapper. Even after being at the hen's house, the woman will be put in the same room with the perpetration in secret to purpose immediation. In some cases, the perpetration often rape the victim so that the victim can agree to his proposal. With the practice of capture marriage culture, it places in the possession of women as the target object, so that the eventual right of women by women are deprived. The case results in the victim being injured both in the of sexuality, physical, psychology, social, and spiritual. In this case, it shows that the practice of capture marriage culture places the power of men who are still dominant, giving rise to the variant of violence that take refuge behind the culture. Therefore, this tradition need to be stopped because it is not is accordance with humanity norms. A case regarding the culture of capture marriage is found in Dian Purnomo novel edition Women Do Cry Black of the Moon. This novel tells about women's struggle against culture exploitation. This struggle was carried out to stop or reset the culture of captive marriage in Sumba because it is conditioned to the deprived women of their independence of and violation women human rights. Therefore, the existence of this novel is used as a way for Dian Purnomo to fight to the position of women in helping women to fight for their right from the culture realm that is conditional detrimentary to women, so that this research provide a new color in the field of research on the importation of this color. The exploitation of women in the cultural realm in the novel Women Who Cry to the Black Moon. The formulation of the problem in this study is what is the form of exploitation of women in the realm of captive marriage culture in the novel Woman Who Cried to the Black Woman Moon by Dian Purnomo. The purpose of this study is to find out the form of exploitation of women in the realm of captive marriage culture in the novel Woman Who Cried to the Black Moon by Dian Purnomo. The method used in this study is qualitative description because the data used in the form of data that is carried out by description the form of exploitation of women in the culture realm in the novel Woman by the Black Moon by Dian Purnomo. The data used in this study are in form of word, phrase, and stanza in a story based on novel about the form exploitation of women in the realm of capture marriage culture in the novel Woman Who Cried to the Black Moon by Dian Purnomo, which in the strategy with data relevant to the research. The data sources of this research are divided into two, namely primary and second data sources. The primary data is a form of the novel Woman Cried to the Black Moon by Dian Purnomo, while the secondary data is in the form of supporting data in the form of book, journal, article, and proceedings that are relevant to research on the form exploitation of women in the realm of captive marriage culture in Sumba. The data collection technique used in this study use reading, note-taking, and relationship technique between elementary of the novel Woman Who Cried to the Black Moon by Dian Purnomo. Then the data is analysis using theory relevant to the research in order to obtain maximum result. Data analysis technique the carried out by grouping or classification. Important part is in the data analysis technique goes through three strategies, namely when data reduction is carried out by sorting the data that has been collected and group its data according to its category. Data presentation start from data analysis and provide a description of each data that has been categorized and drawing conclusion or verification so that later maximum and independent result can be obtained. The result of this study showed that there is a form of exploitation of women in the realm of capture marriage in the novel Woman Who Cried to the Black Moon by Dian Purnomo. This form of exploitation includes rape, which was found 7 data, traffic in women, which on data was found, and violence against women, in which 4 data were found. It can be concluded that the most data found in the exploitation of women in the realm of captive marriage culture in the novel Woman Who Cried to the Black Moon by Dian Purnomo is a case about rape. This is because the case has become a culture in Indonesia that often happens to girls due to the lack of government official in enforcing the law in Indonesia, so that is the often occurs. Second, there are cases of violence against women who consider that the position of men is more powerful than women, so that they at accountability and trade. Case of trade in women or activity carried out by selling women abroad with the aim of making a lot of profit without caring about the faith and culture and victim. The conclusion in this study is that the culture of captive marriage is a form of exploitation of women, where this traditional violation women's right. The form of exploitation of women from the cultural realm, where found to the three, including rape, traffic in women, and inflation in against women, with case of exploitation of women becoming more and more prevalent. Effort need to be made. This aim to prevent case of exploitation of women, and victim of women exploitation case need to get support and protection from family, friend, society, and the states, with the aim of helping victim overcome the problem that occur, so that and what that this do not happen. With this research, it can insight for the public about the form of exploitation found in the novel Women Who Cry to the Black Moon by Dian Purnama, so that with this research the community can have prevent case of exploitation in Indonesia. In addition, this research can be used as a reference for similar research. The researcher hope that there will be research that discussion the form of service and coaching for victim of female exploitation in Indonesia, with this aim of addition research by researching gender issue for victim of female exploitation. I would like to my thesis supervision Prof. Dr. Agus Duryatin M.Kum and Dr. Mulyono SPD MPD who have helped with my thesis until now. I would also like to thank my family, especially Miss Muhammad Soleh and Miss Siti Halimah, who have always pray and supported me until now, and not to forget my sister Nur Aini Zulfa, who is always ready to ask for help. How powerful this article will bring benefit to humanity around the woman. I mean, maybe that me who can say more or less. Sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.